Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Airlines hit hard by new quarantine rules analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID 05F6D8814 2023 8 p.m. Stocks have failed to maintain bullish momentum seen earlier in the week, with disappointing data from China and the US denting recovery expectations. Meanwhile, airlines are on the back foot, with fresh quarantine rules sparking another raft of cancellations. European stocks lead the declines, as the week ends with a whimper data from China and the US stifle recovery hopes. Airlines under pressure as quarantine on French visitors brings a swathe of cancellations. The S&P 500 moved further away from record highs, with stocks throughout Europe and the US ending the week on a sour note. Weaker than expected retail sales and industrial production data eased hopes of a V-shaped recovery after sharp gains throughout June. With a wide-ranging stimulus package seemingly some way off as things stand, investors may have to bide their time if they are expecting another US-led surge in stocks. Coming off the back of a disappointing set of Chinese data points overnight, we are certainly seeing a slowing recovery despite the initial post-lockdown rebound. Airlines are under pressure once more, with the likes of IAG, EasyJet, Ryanair, and Dart Group all being hit hard after the UK imposed quarantine rules on travellers returning from France and the Netherlands. With EasyJet already cancelling all holidays to France, this step is just the latest in setbacks for the travel sector. While many airlines have managed to build a substantial liquidity buffer in a bid to stave off collapse in the event of further travel restrictions, we are still looking at a sector which will likely emerge with substantially more debt and shares on issuance. From a US perspective, we are likely to see the sector come under pressure as we approach the October 1 deadline when $25 billion of existing US payroll aid comes to an end. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.